Less than a month after Johnny Depp filed his own appeal, Amber Heard filed an appeal of the $10 million defamation judgment in the Virginia court. The majority of Amber Heard's legal team has been replaced, and the new group is defending the First Amendment in court. 6 months after a jury determined that Heard was responsible for defaming her ex-husband, Deadline, an online celebrity news website, called Judge Penny Ascarrett to task. Heard said that the verdict undoubtedly will have a chilling effect on other women who seek to talk about abuse involving prominent men in documents obtained by the American celebrity news source E! News. In addition, the jury's verdict of $10 million in compensatory damages and $5 million in punitive damages for Depp obviously is disproportionate considering the restricted time frame for which Depp might recover. According to the statement, the Pirates of the Caribbean actor has filed paperwork to appeal the decision from the same trial in which he, through his lawyer, slandered Heard, which resulted in her being granted the countersuit claim. Depp supported the jury's verdict overall in the documents reviewed by Fox News, but he argued the court should reverse the judgment on Ms. Heard's counterclaim. Depp supported the jury's verdict overall in the documents reviewed by Fox News, but he urged the court should reconsider the judgment on Ms. Heard's counterclaim. The court was confronted with a number of innovative and complicated legal and factual issues, and although the trial court decided a huge majority of those matters intelligently and correctly, a few findings were erroneous, according to the records. Heard's appeal also made mention of Depp's 2020 libel action against The Sun. He had filed a lawsuit against the British tabloid newspaper after it had called him a wife-beater in a story. The Aquaman actor claims that a high court judge's decision against Depp should have prevented their defamation case from ever reaching court. After Depp filed this complaint, the United Kingdom High Court of Justice declared in a separate defamation action launched by Depp that Heard's abuse allegations were accurate. The document read, according to E! News, another court had already determined that Depp mistreated Heard on numerous occasions. In April and May of 2022, the U.S. complaint was heard in a courthouse in Fairfax, Virginia. In a 2018 opus ed for The Washington Post, Heard was accused of defaming Depp by referring to herself as a public figure representing domestic abuse. Depp stated that even though the opus ed did not expressly mention him, it damaged his reputation and destroyed his career. Before the opus ed was published, Heard and Depp split up. After 2 years of marriage, Heard claimed that Depp had abused her emotionally, physically, and sexually while they were dating.